Ever felt the call of the past, yearning to share its secrets? Today, we unveil the skill of retelling history, turning tales from yesteryear into captivating experiences ready to learn. First things first, choose your story. Select a short yet compelling historical event that piques your interest. Consider a pivotal moment, a technological leap, or a hidden gem. Clarity is your compass. Next, immerse yourself. Research thoroughly, verify facts, and grasp the core components: why, the who, what, when, where, and why knowledge is power. Then, craft your narrative. Structure your historical account into a beginning, middle, and end to ensure a flowing, cohesive presentation. Now, it's time to practice your delivery. Find a way to connect with the events, using varying tones and emphasizing key moments. Make your audience captivated. Incorporate compelling details, explain complex ideas in relatable ways, and integrate visuals such as historical maps or pictures. Retelling history is not just about relaying the facts, it's about creating a relationship with the past and inspiring it in others.